Wind, nuclear, solar, hydro, energy storage systems. Omexom provides a wide range of services such as project engineering, procurement, construction, operation or maintenance to decarbonize our clients' energy mix. We provide solutions for sustainable or low carbon footprint, secure and cost-effective power plants. Hydropower is the world-leading renewable source of electricity. Omexom provides turnkey solutions for greenfield or brownfield hydropower plants, including specific techniques to optimize the production. With more than 300 references on hydropower plants, Omexom delivers a wide range of solutions for new power plant development and refurbishment projects, including civil work with Vancy Group's sister entities. Nuclear power is the world's second largest source of low-carbon power. Positioned across the entire value chain and the complete life cycle of nuclear power plants, Omexom guarantees the best service and reactivity for works and maintenance deliveries, with more than 1,000 experts on nuclear processes in the world. Omexom is a recognized international partner in the construction of turnkey solar PV projects and the integration of solar power plants either into the grid or into a decentralized microgrid and self-consumption. Supported by a strong engineering team, Omexom has worked on more than 2 gigawatt peak of utility-scale projects, including tracking systems, hybrid PV plants with batteries and diesel, as well as energy management systems. The share of wind power in the world energy mix is expected to double by 2040, and consequently quadruple its installed capacity. With more than 245 wind farm projects completed, Omexom provides a wide range of services from project engineering to operation and maintenance. On top of its historical T&D activity, Omexom's know-how of utilities and independent power producers' contractual requirements are key to ensure the success of a wind project. Moreover, with its strong local network, Omexom has full knowledge of local grid requirements and practices. For each kind of low-carbon power, Omexom is committed to the highest levels of requirements in terms of quality, environment, health and safety to deliver sustainable and efficient solutions. We are Omexom.